Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Menopause Unfiltered.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kshama Kulharli.
You also felt that these symptoms were there with other your peers or other women that you knew.
Something is wrong with me. Something is wrong with me. Getting agitated.
मैम आप जो ये बोल रहे हो ना, I can relate to this.
और बकरा कौन था? All the college students.
As you know, idea यही है जितना अनफिल्टर्ड, जितना सच्चाई के साथ, जितना ओपनली इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को हम कर सके, नॉर्मलाइज कर सके अराउंड मेनोपॉज, व्हाई नॉट? So, hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Menopause Unfiltered. As you know, idea यही है जितना अनफिल्टर्ड, जितना सच्चाई के साथ, जितना ओपनली इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को हम कर सके, नॉर्मलाइज कर सके अराउंड मेनोपॉज, व्हाई नॉट? And I have a beautiful guest today who's personally has been like a mentor, and I've just loved her over. I know her for us almost 1.5, 2 years now, and it's been amazing to see what she's doing. Even if I can do 1/10 of what she's doing at this age, I'll be blessed. Please welcome Dr. Shama to the episode today. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good, Tamanna. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's indeed a great pleasure to be here with you.
Ma'am, we are honored to have you. And just to start and for our audience to know, आपके बारे में थोड़ा और जानना चाहते हैं because you are so accomplished. I may not do the right justice. So just a bit more, or you can start it from the beginning. कहाँ से, where do you belong to? How was this, earlier years, your qualification, and then we can start from there.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kshama Kulharli. I am a neuroscience researcher, hardcore professor, educationalist, academician, and I love teaching and I love talking and helping people. Okay. I was born and brought up in a Brahmin middle class family in Karnataka. I did my engineering in electronics and communication. Immediately, I got married, and I was a super, energetic. I used to do so many things at a time, and then I had two children, beautiful children, and then I joined engineering college as a lecturer. Then, when I was just 21, slowly I just was pursuing my education, and I was super confident about my memory and my cognitive skills, and and hence I was very active, right? Always teaching new subjects, those were introduced in the college, and always being on the forefront for all the activities and events and everything. Slowly, steadily, life moved on, and I started getting degrees, qualification. I went to BITS Pilani when my daughter was just small. I did my master's, then I came back, my son was born, and then to cut down the long story into short, I started feeling, something is wrong with me. Something is wrong with me. Getting agitated, getting angry, bursting out. Or bakra kaun tha? All the college students. I couldn't say
Oh,
anything to my husband. I couldn't say anything to my children. I used to go and always do remove all my anger on students. People started hating me. They started calling a sadist, ma'am. I didn't understand why this is happening. You know, I was not able to know when I was in my 35, 30s. I didn't know what is happening. And suddenly, uh, I was always teaching new subjects. I used to learn everything in the house, prepare everything, and go there blank. I don't know what is happening to me. Somehow I was getting irritated, agitated. And when you get irritated, agitated, what do? You throw tantrums on everybody. This was going on literally in my, but I never ever stopped learning. And that gave me again, forgetfulness, brain fog, mental fatigue, tiredness, irritability, angry, mood swing. Arey baba, itna sara, all these things started happening to me, and that was the time when I wanted help.
ma'am, how old were you at that time?
I was 35 when the symptoms started.
Okay.
Now I am 61 complete.
Wow. Oh. And you also felt that these symptoms were there with other your peers or other women that you knew, your
Yes,
friends. Were they
yes.
talking about it?
Yeah, they were there, and they, कैसे होता है कि दो two people going through the same, what happens? Taka 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 taka, always there is going to be quarrel, fight. No, one's emotions are high, another one's emotion, another high. Again, emotions go high, and intelligence becomes low, and you start only reacting to the situation, and you will never respond to the situation. Later, कई कई बार words boggle हो जाते. You will use sometimes, some words which really are not good, and then later on you repent, अरे ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, सॉरी यार, हो गया. These type of things were every day. कितना बताओ, पूरा बुक लिख सकते हैं इसमें. So many things were happening.
मैम आप जो ये बोल रहे हो ना, आई कैन रिलेट टू दिस. आई एम 46. 4 years back I started having these symptoms where I was feeling the things I was thinking or saying कि मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. I'm not a bad person, I'm very happy go lucky, but उस टाइम पे I could think about back the मतलब ढूंढ ढूंढ के कमियां लोगों में कि इसमें ये कमी है, इसमें ये खरी, मतलब मैं बेचारी और बाकी सब गलत. एंड एंड रात को मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था कि मैं तो ऐसी नहीं हूँ. व्हाई एम आई ट्राइंग टू फाइंड फॉल्ट? बेचारा अगला भी समझने की कोशिश कर रहा है. एवरीबॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू डू देयर बेस्ट. बट वे सेइंग कि लड़ाई ठक ठक ठक, वही मतलब कोई मिल जाए, बस कोई कोई मिल जाए कि somebody should come in my arena to box. You're right.
Yes,
Okay, yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.
So what
So,
happened
but I
then?
then my daughter was she went to medical school. Then my
Okay,
son went to engineering school. I said, मैं मुझे पढ़ना है. फिर I registered for my PhD in deep learning, that is part of artificial intelligence.
okay.
आई गाइड के साथ इतना झगड़ती थी मैं, पता नहीं. आई यूज टू टेक बेस्ट, मैं तो इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, मैंने ये सब स्ट्रेटेजीज लेके उसको बोल रही हूँ ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे. ही विल रिजेक्ट एवरीथिंग. आई विल पुट अप, आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, पेपर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड रवन है, मुझे नहीं करना है पीएचडी. एंड लेटर सब बोलेंगे, मैम आपका पीएचडी कहाँ तक आया? तब मैं करूँगी, याद करूँगी. मैंने बोला चलो अभी तो मूड ठीक है, सब कंपाइल करूँगी पेपर. देन आई से, हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू, कैन आई कम एंड मीट यू, आई हैव गॉट सम अदर न्यू. ऐसे करते करते मैंने पीएचडी खत्म कर दिया. वो 3 साल में खत्म करना था, 6 साल में होगा. बट द अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स, there were absolutely, it was, internationally, I was recognized for that, my research work. Later I said ये काउंसलिंग करना पड़ता है, मैं एमबीए भी करूंगी, because I wanted how much I can receive the information from the book or anywhere, and how much I can reproduce it after when I'm writing it. This was the test I was carrying it on myself.
जी.
ये करते जा रही थी, but of course there it was not a very smooth journey. Ups and downs were there, and it was a roller coaster journey, you can say. तो फिर भी मैंने कंप्लीट किया. एजुकेशन तो मैं लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग तो मैं करना ही था, बिकॉज आई वॉज इन एकेडमिशियन एंड एजुकेशनल रिसर्चर. मैंने रिसर्च 84 में किया है, तो कोई मुझे देखेगा भी नहीं. इफ आई एम पब्लिशिंग अ पेपर इन 2024, पीपल विल से यस, टेल मी द रिजल्ट, टेल मी द रिसर्च. So this is what
And this
continue.
affected your professional life also? I mean, personal and professional, could you distinguish कि कहाँ फर्क हो रहा है? You said you were irritable at the workplace, but did it affect?
Of course, yes, of course. But when I understood about my actually my personal this thing, तब I found myself that I am only, you know, uh, started recognizing as forgetfulness हो रहा है, brain fog हो रहा है, mental fatigue हो रहा है, mental block हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व हो पा रहे, आई एम नॉट एबल टू फोकस एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेट, मेरे डिस्ट्रैक्शन बहुत हो रहा है, मैं रिटेन नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मैं रिट्रीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मैं इसको टॉलरेट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. और प्रेजेंटेशन देते वक्त कभी भी कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, तो मेरा आगे क्या, व्हाट वाज वेयर आई वाज, क्या हो रहा है मुझे, कहाँ थी, रेफर टू पीपीटीज एंड ऑल. एंड मेरा इधर 2.5 मिलियन gigabits of memory I can store it, but I was relying on 256 gigabits.
What an amazing thing to say.
And then I said, nahi, 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 this is not done. This is, I'm just getting my brain, something is happening, and I don't know what it is, but कुछ तो हो रहा है. बाकी सब लोगों ही, are you forgetting things? Of course, yeah, with age, everybody, this happens. What? Why? Do you look the same what you are looking in 21 years? I said, oh नहीं, अंदर क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं. Something is happening. I knew something is happening. People gave up. You know, all my peer group, my same as my age, they were saying, "होता है." I refer, I write down, I look at it and then I read. मैं रिमाइंडर लगती हूँ. मैंने बोला मैं जिंदगी में रिमाइंडर रखा नहीं, जिंदगी में मैंने कुछ लिख के नहीं लिया. बट यू नो तमन्ना क्या होना शुरू हो गया कि आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग वन थिंग फ्रॉम मार्ट. I will go for one thing, I will bring 10 rest of the things and I'll forget that one thing. जो नहीं चाहिए वो लेके
मैम
आती
बहुत
थी,
होता है,
जो चाहिए वो रह जाता था.
एंड वी
और
टेक इट
आने
वेरी
के बाद
लाइटली.
वो
हाँ.
I took it very lightly. So I saw some of the ladies taking their paper,
या.
taking
या.
ऐसे करते हो. बोला ऐसे कब करूं मैं, कैसे होगा मेरा. देयर वेयर आई सेड ये नहीं, इसको मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी. आई एम गोइंग टू रिसर्च ऑन दिस. एंड लकीली आई हैड 8 PhDs अंडर मी. तो मैंने एक एक को टॉपिक देके उनके साथ बैठ बैठ के वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग रिसर्च ऑन व्हाट इज मेनोपॉज. पहले कौन से एज में शुरू होता है, प्री, पेरी, मेनोपॉजल स्टेट, पोस्ट मेनोपॉज, हार्मोनल चेंजेस, देन अल्जाइमर्स, देन डिमेंशिया, देन ब्रेन हेल्थ. सो व्हेन डू यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट. एक स्टडी करते आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट. यू नो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग आई वाज desperate. My inspiration was my desperation. बिकॉज आई न्यू ओनली वन ब्रेन भगवान ने दिया है. उसको अगर ठीक ना रखो, कुछ हो गया तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू ट्रांसप्लांट. ब्रेन ट्रांसप्लांट का कोई है ही नहीं, वो नहीं हो सकता. बाकी सब ट्रांसप्लांट हो सकते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट वाज माय. मैं बोलते जाऊंगी बगैर आज के क्वेश्चन.
No. So you're right, ma'am. Like we did India's first menopause survey with 20,000 women across tier 1 to 3. And, our findings were that around 81% women said that their mental health and emotional health is the most affected during this time. They wanted to discuss that with the doctor or their family members and their partners, but they felt the larger number कि कोई समझ ही नहीं रहा है, उनको भी नहीं पता कि क्या हो रहा है most of the time. स्पेशली टियर 3 तक तो ठीक था, और रिमोट एरियाज में तो वो हो जाता है कि बहुत ही सैड चीज है, लेकिन वर्ड्स लाइक हमने सुने, माता चढ़ गई, अरे इस टाइम पे पागल हो गई, अरे इसको बंद कर दो, नींद की गोलियां दे रहे हैं. इवन इन अर्बन इंडिया वी नो ऑफ सो मेनी केसेस वेयर वुमेन हैव टोल्ड अस कि पिछले 3 साल से मेरे हस्बैंड रात को मुझे 8 बजे नींद की गोली दे देते हैं बिकॉज आई कांट स्लीप, आई हैव डिप्रेशन, आई हैव स्ट्रेस. और फिर वो सुबह जब जाते हैं मुझे पता नहीं, मैं सो रही होती हूँ. आई डोंट नो रिमेम्बर व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम आई स्माइल्ड और आई डिड एनीथिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ हैप्पीली और आई वाज हैप्पी. इमोशनली बहुत ज्यादा रोलर कोस्टर है. लेडीज बहुत लाइटली ले रही हैं, स्पेशली मेनोपॉजल ट्रांजिशन में. स्ट्रेस सबको होता है, लाइफ में रहता है जनरली, आई अंडरस्टैंड. टिल द टाइम यू आल्सो रेजिंग किड्स, हमारी भाग दौड़,
या
सुबह टिफिन में क्या जाएगा, आज खाने में क्या बनेगा, प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट हुई नहीं हुई, टाइम पे पहुंचना है, अपनी डेडलाइन, सो मेनी थिंग्स. But that stress during menopause and perimenopause, especially, and how it affects post-menopause is what is important that we would like to discuss further. आपकी फाइंडिंग्स और आपके हिसाब से both mental health and brain health, how important it is. Let's start with that and then let's take it forward.
See, our brain is involved in everything we do, what we are, how
Hmm.
we act, how we
Hmm.
interact, how you
Hmm.
feel, how you take action.
Hmm.
Everything it is involved. It's memory. Memory is fabric of our soul. If we are having good memories, we will also have bad memories. In fact, bad memories ज़्यादा रहते हैं याद. गुड मेमोरीज याद करो बोला तो एक और दो याद आते हैं. बट बैड मेमोरीज. And then when you are having these hormonal changes going on, you really don't know. You are not the same one. आज मेरा हार्मोनल चेंजेस हुआ है. आई बिकम, कोई देखेगा हाय तमन्ना, हाउ आर यू, यू आर गुड, आई विल से. नेक्स्ट डे आई विल नॉट इवन लुक एट तमन्ना. कौन है तमन्ना, पता नहीं. आई विल लुक हियर एंड दो. आई हैव सीन पीपल डूइंग लाइक दिस. एक दिन
Yep.
इतना हंस हंस के बात करेंगे, एक दिन बहुत गुस्से से, एक दिन उनको मैंने जो बुरा किया हुआ याद आएगा, एक दिन मुझे मैंने जो अच्छा किया हुआ याद आएगा. So these were small changes, those were happening, and they will, somebody, you know, even I look at you like this. एक बार देख लिया उसने, मेरी मेरी तरफ देखा ना, शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट मी ओनली. माइंड रीडिंग का हो जाता है. नो, शी इज थिंकिंग लाइक दिस ओनली, इसका मतलब वो जाके अभी किसी और को बोलेगी. फॉर्चून टेलिंग भी हो जाता है. Then we also said she is a cranky idiot, ऐसे. So all or everything, इतने हमारे दिमाग में automatic negative thoughts, I call them as, Dr. Amen calls it as ants, automatic negative thoughts आते रहते आते रहते आते रहते. And then you need to kill them, because we get anxiety. तो पता नहीं कहाँ से आती है. See, if you compare yourself for the present health to 10 years back, to 10 years back, कितना चेंजेस हुए. दैट एनर्जी, अरे हो ना, चलेंगे ना. नहीं, कोई अभी 8 साढ़े 8 बजे भी आइसक्रीम खाने बुलाएगा आपको. 8:30 बजे पागल है क्या? पहले क्यों नहीं बुलाया? पहले बोलना चाहिए था, नाउ वी गो. पहले कभी भी बुलाओ, चेंज गो. वो नहीं रहता. सो द रीजन फॉर दैट इज योर ईस्ट्रोजन लेवल. सी, एक्चुअली योर रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स आर हियर, राइट? योर ब्रेन इज हियर. And brain cannot be considered as an black box sitting idly, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. All the hormones are produced here, and those estrogen and all will be supplied to the brain. When you have regular periods, the estrogens are more. Estrogen, progesterone, estradiol, all these testosterone, all these hormones are supplying, and that gets, the brain gets all the nutrients, fertilizers, oxygenated blood, through oxygenated blood to the brain, and brain is energetic. And when you have energy, you do everything. You will understand, and you are also superwoman. Octopus जैसे 8 tentacles जैसे multiple tasking सब कर रहे होते हो, इधर ही इधर ही. But now if you are doing one thing, and if you get distracted, you will forget what you are doing. What happens is, with estrogen decrease, the brain energy goes down. You do not have mental energy, physical energy, you don't have emotional energy, and you don't have spiritual energy. चारों energies down होते हैं, पता नहीं चलता. You behave the way, कैसे behave होते हैं, कैसे words आते हैं, कैसे गाली गलौज होता है, कैसे angry होते हैं, कैसे stress environment, कैसे झगड़ा होता है, वो होता है बाद में, थोड़ा सा settle होने के बाद. Then you understand, या मैं गलत थी यार. And then you will do whatever you were supposed to do it to patch up. But लेकिन patch होता है. So this is what is actually the hormonal changes is causing this. But brain भी समझ में आ रहा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, ये क्या हार्मोन्स दे रहे. तो it is also going through transition. It has to settle down. After your post-menopause, after few years, it settles down.
The body get used to it. You become what you were in before puberty.
Yeah.
So that state is where the body comes in. True.
Yes.
Ma'am, they say, abhi aajkal research is saying that brain fog is the leading cause towards dementia and Alzheimer's. Is it related? Do women need to be worried इस time पे जो brain fog हो रहा है, if it is not treated well, or if they're not doing uh, brain exercise? Is that something like neuroplasticity or anything that they are that can be helpful for them, which can stop Alzheimer's or dementia, especially if it is running in the family?
Yes. So the first thing I would like to tell you is, brain foggy क्यों होता है कि it's a sort of a panicky situation. You are not able to think. Like चश्मे के ऊपर fog आ गया तो मुझे दिखता ही नहीं है. You lack in clarity. You lack in confidence. You lack in courage. हो जाता है. And slowly when you come back to the hormonal stability होने के बाद, when you come back to normal, either number one, whether the blood flow to the brain is okay or not, you have to check it. And blood flow depends upon what are your diet things, what are the exercise regime, or your personal or proactive action that you are taking. So these will depend upon the blood flow. Then if you are not learning, मेरी तो डिग्री हो गई, मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली, अभी नेटफ्लिक्स देख के आराम करने वाली हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मैं ये खा के I am enjoying my
use ही नहीं कर रहे. Yeah, you're right.
That is called as, if you have to learn, you have to challenge your brain every time. You have to tell it, Are Baba, जैसे you have already programmed it in a different way till now you reprogram it. Give instructions in such a way that you always learn something new. I don't say that you should go to college and take a degree or something. You do learn some musical instrument, or you could learn some language, or you could learn gardening, painting, anything. Then inflammation. There are a lot of infection, immunity and inflammation that happens. तो गम क्योंकि गट में होता है, कभी गिर जाते हो हाथ swollen होता है. So that also is hurts the brain. Then genetics plays a very important role. Genetically, if somebody, your family, people are mentally ill, depressed, suicidal conditions, schizophrenia, ADHD, ADD, all these diseases, if you have, it is a red flag. It's not a death sentence, but it is a red flag that will tell you, Are Baba, alert, raho. Then if you have head falls, head के ऊपर गिर जाते हैं, or something like accident happens, or you lose your concussion, your memory loss होता है, दो तीन सेकेंड तक आपको कहाँ हूँ यही पता नहीं चलता. These type of things also harm the brain. And also mentally what you feed in. Are you feeding the victor energy or victim energy? Are you worried about what regret what you did in the past? Or are you saying, nahi, life is beautiful? When I say life is beautiful, always beautiful things I see. Life is a struggle, life is a disaster, life is a this, ऐसे नीचे नीचे जा रही हूँ. ऊपर ही नहीं आती. है ना? So that is another thing which is mental depression, anxiety, stress. And you, who doesn't get stressed? Yeah, tell me, who doesn't get stressed? 10 साल का बेटा भी कल मुझे बाहर बोल रहा था कि आंटी बहुत स्ट्रेस है. मैंने बोला बच्चा तेरे को क्या कुछ कमाना नहीं, पैसा नहीं, घर में कुछ नहीं, खाना नहीं, नहीं होमवर्क और वो करना ये करना. टीचर, मैंने बोला चलो तुझे भी स्ट्रेस. सो द पॉइंट इज what are you trying to feed in your mind will also is it's a mental storm, we call it as. Then neurohormones, whether you have dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, or endorphins, good hormones, or you are filled with cortisols, or you are filled with unwanted hormones. Balance होना चाहिए. Next would be diabetes, has to be taken care of. Heart diseases should be taken, otherwise heart का कोई problem है तो blood को directly blood नहीं supply होगा. If the blood is not supplied, whatever is good for heart is good for brain.
True.
Then those neurohormones you need to take, appropriate medication, nutrients, nutraceuticals, or get yourself checked every year. How is the hormonal? And then comes obesity, diabetes, and last, in fact, it should be the first, sleep.
Yes.
7 to 9 hours of sound sleep, you must sleep. That is the time when your brain का declutter हो रहा है, house cleaning हो रहा है, वहाँ पे घश करके all पानी छोड़ के, मतलब all hormones gets released and cleaning हो रहा है. And when you get up in the morning, you should be fresh and fine to start your day. If you don't sleep properly, then it's going to again harm your brain. So these are 11 things which we need to take care of your brain health, and that can happen only with exercise, with nutraceuticals, with brain foods, or with the food that you should eat, should not eat, when to eat, how to eat, all these things. And then also some of the coping up mechanisms like meditation, gratitude writing, affirmation. Set up your goal, have a clear vision of what you want, where you want to go, and what are you spending time, and see whether it hurts your brain or it helps your brain. And if your brain health is optimized, you would be able to live a life of confidence, courage, and clarity. Otherwise, confused, क्या कर रही हूँ, क्या कर. This is what will happen.
Ma'am, what is okay? So two things here. One, what are few good brain exercises that you think one should do, especially during the menopausal transition and otherwise also, and from the elderly perspective.
Yeah.
And second, what kind of food? What are the top 3 or 5 brain foods that you highly recommend?
Yeah. Number one is, since I teach about memory and other things also, so I always say on the brain, the avocados. You can replace it by sweet potato or bananas if it is not available. Berries, any type of berries. Okay.
Yep.
And then cauliflower or broccoli, coconut oil. Okay. And then salmon fish. Okay. All leafy vegetables.
Okay.
Turmeric is supposed to be the best antioxidant. Okay. Then you will have these akrod, what you call it as walnuts.
Walnuts, yes.
Then dark
Good.
chocolates
Mm, mm,
are very good food.
mm,
And
mm,
omega-3 fatty acids is absolutely required for your brain health.
mm,
So these are
mm.
the 10, 11 brain foods I told you. Coming to
And
the exercise,
yeah,
uh, see, for you have your prefrontal cortex, you have parietal lobe, you have occipital lobe, you have brain stem, and you have temporal lobe.
mm,
Okay, and this is called prefrontal. This is intelligent brain.
mm.
So when you
Left or right? Left or right?
both
Both sides. God,
both
what a basic question, but I
because
wanted to ask.
if you are a right hand person, your left brain
Left
is
brain,
supposed to be
yes,
a very active, and its
yes,
left brain is logical brain.
yes.
It only requires data, statistics, all equations. और कभी राइट वाला बोलता है आई वांट टू बाय अ हाउस ऑफ 1 crore या देयर लेफ्ट वाला बोलता है किसे में दे कितना है पैसा 5,000 भी नहीं है 1 crore का वो बात तो दिस इज लेफ्ट सो
Yeah,
मुंगेरे लाल के हसीने सपने इज राइट
yeah,
left. So, but
yeah.
you want both of them to coordinate with each other and work. Okay. And we have hippocampus, which is responsible for memory. So,
Yes.
cross exercises are good.
Okay.
Crossway, like you do cross
Mm,
training. No?
okay.
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 Sometimes this is also supposed to be an aerobic exercise. ये
Yes.
एक हाथ से
Yeah.
एक दूसरा ऐसे भी करते हैं ये this
One goal and one tap,
and down
right?
and
Uh,
your dominant hand is right hand no do it with left hand right
okay.
with left hand.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Mm,
these are few of the neurobics exercise. Of course, there are almost 90. Close your eyes and start to feel yeah, this is my mobile, this is my mouse,
feel
like
and
this.
touch. Yeah.
Feel and touch.
Yeah. Yeah.
So use
Okay.
all your sense organs. Like abhi, now you can just hear the sound and say that this is what that dog
Yeah.
is barking. ये मेरा
Yeah.
घर का
Yeah.
bell है. This is my
Huh.
phone is ringing. Something
Yes.
like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Change the route. Don't do monotonous same thing same thing. Keep on changing the places. हम लोग कैसे करते हैं हॉल में ये कबर्ड ये सोफा इधर ऐसे रखेंगे ये टिपो इधर रखेंगे so keep on changing those things because when you change your brain has to क्या होता है brain को use it or lose it.
Mm,
If you go
mm.
to gym and say only bicep curls will it help you? No, you'll have to
Only
do
the
upper
biceps.
body. वैसे वैसे you can't say I am solving Sudoku, my brain is good. No. It
Mm,
should be problem solving, decision making, focus, forethought,
yeah.
creativity, innovation, thinking out of the
Mm,
box. Are you being, orientation and navigation में problem हो रहा है क्या? What is happening? So
mm,
everything, every part of the brain has to
mm,
exercise.
mm,
So reading
mm.
ho, writing ho, or it could be listening to the podcast ho, or writing a book ho. Teaching is the best thing. You learn it and then you teach it. That's the best way of learning.
It's beautifully mentioned that this transition phase is the time when women have learned or they've mostly done most of their duties in life, and now they should start imparting whatever they've learned to others. So, the phase is, it's so beautifully defined that it's time to impart the learnings that you've had to the next generation and also find the higher purpose of your being on earth. तो आप किस लिए आए हो अपना पर्पस ढूंढो इसलिए when we see and look at women around this age group you feel that they start getting into either hobbies like gardening or tarot card or astrology or maybe suddenly you may not be that religious and in your 40s you will start going to पंडित जी की अच्छा ये कुंडली मिला दो या बच्चे का ये देख लो ये होगा नहीं होगा you start finding and you start realizing there is a higher power you may not believe but you start uh, coming back to roots as a kid what you learned and maybe you thought was right but did not get enough time then to practice it so yeah, a lot of internal introspection is also happening during this time. Anything in particular for elderlies that you want to suggest or you would like to suggest what should they do? Because those who are in their 60s and 70s
Yeah.
or 70s and beyond, what are some simple things that they can do to make their life better, especially if they fear Alzheimer's or dementia, or they can see those some symptoms that are being coming up.
Yes. There is something called as mild cognitive impairment.
Okay.
Means I am staying the milk is on the stove. But instead of saying milk is on the stove, I'll say milk is on the, chair or something, some other word I'll
Sure.
use.
Okay.
Or identifying, if two people are sitting in a restaurant and there's a lot of music and noise going on, and somebody is trying to tell you something. Kya, you are asking. You're not
Mm.
getting that. Then you say, what did you say? I didn't get it. Repeat the same thing. Or sometimes it will be something like you want to call something but you say something actually कुछ और बोलना है कुछ और बोल देते हो तो words में and then like one of my friend told me that yaar I read a book very nice fantastic book I asked her which book yeah नाम याद नहीं
Mm.
that
Okay.
green wala that yellow wala this wala and then I said
Mm.
what is it about it's about habits and all these things. I said is it seven habits of effective people? Then she said no, it's not that. Then I asked her which habit he is talking about. She is not able to tell me and then she says मैं घर जाके WhatsApp में वो फोटो निकाल के तुझे भेजती हूँ. These are all the symptoms of mild cognitive impairment, and Alzheimer's and dementia is not seen overnight. It is there in you 2 or 3 decades earlier. If a woman is seen and diagnosed for any kind of dementia or Alzheimer, that means it must have started in her brain 20 at the age of 39 only.
Mm. Yeah. So that's what the perimenopause phase.
Yeah.
It has started, and she's not. That is why I asked you earlier that that brain fog is then finally actually leading to that.
Leading to that. So,
Yeah.
and another thing is your mind is like, it has a frequency. You always keep on saying, अरे ये तो मैं तो भूल जाती हूँ मेरे तो एज हुआ है आई एम फॉरगेटिंग थिंग्स आई एम नॉट एबल टू मैं ये सब करती थी अभी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ दीज आर द कंटिन्यूअस प्रोग्रामिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस यू आर गिविंग इट टू योर सेल्फ यू शुड डू इट
Yeah.
इनफैक्ट आई विल रिमेंबर इट आई नो इट
True. True.
सो ये हो रहा है नो डोंट गिव
Mm.
मी दैट आई विल कीप इट समवेयर आई विल मिस दिस पता
Yeah.
नहीं पता नहीं कौन सा महीने का बिल भरा मैंने मेडिसिन
मैम
लिया
बच्चों के नाम कंफ्यूजन मतलब
या दिस इज
आई
व्हाट
आई आल्सो
स्टार्टेड
फेल्ट
हैपनिंग
दैट
टू मी
कि कि आपस में उल्टे सीधे आई गो टू बॉयज उनमें चलो चलता है बट व्हेन आई रिमेंबर माय मदर कॉलिंग बिटवीन मी एंड माय ब्रदर so we are two different genders you can't mix up the name but वही होता
एब्सोल्युटली
है and that is what starts happening कि क्या हो रहा है मजाक मतलब everybody is laughing at it but then these are early signs what you're saying
Yeah,
कि है
so
आपको
forgetfulness, forgetting names, faces, OTP number याद नहीं, phone number याद नहीं, किसी का husband new 111, पता नहीं क्या किसका नंबर कौन सा ये नंबर चल रहा है. I have got all the numbers, but जो नंबर अभी है वही नहीं है मेरे पास. And all these things, word, your to-do list, appointments, missing appointments, or missing the कब जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं होता एंड देन स्ट्रेस आ जाता है लास्ट मोमेंट में ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल लीड यू टू माइल्ड कॉग्निटिव इम्पेयरमेंट टू टोटल इम्पेयरमेंट एंड टोटल इम्पेयरमेंट ड्यूरिंग माइल्ड कॉग्निटिव इम्पेयरमेंट इफ यू गो टू द डॉक्टर एंड टेल हिम डॉक्टर आई एम स्टार्टेड फॉरगेटिंग नेम्स एंड ऑल कोई नहीं एक गोली देती हूँ लेके जाओ and after immediately 5-10 years if you go to the same doctor luckily he will say you have got dementia तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस विथ ऑल द डॉक्टर्स मेरा डॉक्टर जो मेरा यूट्रस निकाला एट द एज ऑफ 48 उसने मेरा यूट्रस निकाला मेरा ओवरीज निकाला मेरा अपेंडिक्स निकाला पता ही नहीं एंड ही ओनली लुक द डॉक्टर्स ओनली लुक एट देयर ऑर्गन ओनली गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट सिर्फ यूट्रस और ये वो देखेंगे बट यू डोंट नो एंटायर कम्युनिकेशन हैपेंस ब्रेन एंड बॉडी वो निकाला तो क्या होगा ब्रेन पे असर आई केम टू नो आफ्टर माई रिसर्च ओनली अदरवाइज आई नेवर न्यू ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है आई वॉज थिंकिंग चलो यूट्रस उसका वेट कम हो गया बट
काम
नो
खत्म That's the sad part. I think there is a whole generation of, especially in India and Indian women, where the uterus is not there or the ovaries is not there because doctors thought that that is the best possible thing कि heavy periods हो रहे हैं या फिर उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या देना है या फिर even they are scared of giving or prescribing them HRT or menopause hormonal therapy now, MHT. And they have completely just said कि यार uterus remove कर दो या फिर ovaries remove कर दो, but the the by products and by effects of that later, women are, you know, as you said,
Absolutely.
it's too much to handle, and still they are in denial कि नहीं उससे हुआ है. But आप सही कह रहे हो, you know, and we also found in our research that doctors, physicians generally don't study about menopause, and doctors globally, this is not India, this is globally, gynecologists don't have a chapter on menopause. It's only in 3 paragraphs that they study. So they are clueless as to actually we are depending on them as our healthcare providers that they will be giving us some options. Options तो है ही नहीं, बट उनको खुद भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा. इफ यू गो इन योर लेट 30s or early 40s, they are they don't know what to do with you. Perimenopause is the last thing that they will be counting in. They will send you. From my personal experience, they had sent me to ortho, to a, my physician had directed me to go to ortho, to a gynecologist, to a psychiatrist because I was having too much stress and anxiety and palpitation. He said no, and then a cardiologist. He said you're having too much palpitation. You might just have a heart attack. And after so many tests, blood tests and scans and everything, nothing was there. All parameters were fine, but nobody tested me for hormones. And I was just given antidepressants and sleeping pills and multivitamins to cope up, and was told just lose some weight. And I had no clue how to lose it. So it was just a vicious cycle, you know, and just goes on and on and on. And nobody's telling you about it. Nobody is telling you. Nobody's talking about it. And just a handful. I think India में अभी start हो रहा है. You know, I am sure you have been at the forefront of it. You have been talking about menopause also, and earlier also when we spoke, how important it is to take care of your health. Anything in particular during your this journey in last 2 years, especially when the book came out and everything, you want to share in terms of any client's experience or you know, anything that you heard was like a very unique story. Yourself is a very unique story, ma'am. I remember, आपको शायद ध्यान नहीं है, but you did mention that, you know, you were up for your promotion that time, and you said I had to give it up. I remember, you know, when we spoke, you were like, you know, I just didn't know what was the reason. They
Yes,
all
yes.
thought that.
When my appraisals came, I just, I was very, I don't know, I was very mean, nasty. I just don't know. I just said something, and that was the end of it.
uh,
I would have become vice chancellor of that university, and I would have continued. But whatever happens, happens for good.
yes, absolutely.
With this experience, what I did is I started feeling about it, this is happening to me. Let me experiment everything on myself
Okay.
first. So first thing is I thought about, since it is brain and neurons, so I talk about neuronutrition. So what is that
Okay.
brain requires? It
Hmm. Hmm.
requires many nutrients, whatever we eat. Of course, we eat healthy food only. We use all these pulses, all carbohydrate, everything we eat that goes to the brain, but also brain requires additional nutraceuticals. Also, second one I said this, you need to quieten your mind. So it's very important to have neuro meditation. Neuro meditation is little different from other kind of meditation, though the meditation is same, closing eyes and this thing, but you are visualizing something, everything that is there inside the brain. Then I said I will have to do some exercises which are brain related, which are, could be physical exercises, could be walking, jogging, running, or I also tai chi, yoga, all these meditation and other things. This I started at least doing it, and some strength training exercise, some Pilates classes, some dancing classes, some knitting classes, some sports like racket sports. All these things, one trial somebody has to do that. One of the things, few things I started. Then I said, let me connect to my friends once a week for some kind of joking, laughing, dancing, doing any damn stupid things which children do generally, not matured people do. That we started. I said every night dinner will be on the table without mobiles, with my husband and me, because my son was in London. He had just come back. So we were sitting together. Dinner will be, and dinner में no तूने ऐसे किया वैसे किया, nothing negative, only positive. If you don't have, सिर्फ हंसते हंसते खाएंगे, this is very nice, then look at this, ऐसे. That's
Yeah.
one thing. And then I said, मैं मेरे माय इंटीमेट क्लोज रिलेशनशिप के साथ once a week or once a month I will call and FaceTime, talk to them, okay, and I'll connect to my old friends जिनके साथ I can share memory once. तो these are the and स्लीप हाइजीन पूरा मेंटेन किया. स्लोली 8 बजने के बाद लाइट्स थोड़ा 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 कम करते जाओ. फिनिश ऑफ एनी वरीज आर देयर, राइट इट डाउन, फिनिश इट ऑफ. Then hit the bed at the right time so that your circadian rhythm is fixed and you know when you. And I did not do any. I used to do earlier, sit a laptop on my bed and do like this, listen to it. I said no gadgets and no laptop, nothing on the bed is only associated with sleep. So some sleep hygiene I did. So that also helped me in getting a good night's sleep. No? And breathing exercises helped me. Breathing exercises also.
Okay.
And after that I said, अरे ये memory athletes जो होते हैं, they remember 100 words. I say, I want to just remember 10 words or 20 words. Why can't I remember? Then I studied that under a coach, Jim Quick, and also Dr. Manjunath from India. I studied that. Then I said, I want to teach, give a lot of information to people. So I need to read. When I need to read, I'm not able to remember what I read. I'm not able to, read fast. I'm not able to read also. Every book is on my shelf as a shelf help, not self help. What will I do? I did speed reading, techniques. Like how do you, what are the eliminate all bad habits of reading and inculcate all strategies for speed reading. So my speed reading was 150 words per minute. Now it went up to 600 now because I want comprehension and everything 100% being a teacher and academician. So the speed has come down to 450 words per minute. So 1 week,
That's
one
also
book
amazing.
gone.
Yeah.